have the previously unboxed Orico 3.5 inch 358 US 3.5 inch external hard drive closure, and we have the 750 gigabyte Seagate Barracuda. We're going to put this into there. So let's get this back out of the box once more. This is the one that falls out of the box as they pack the product right on top. This is going to be a very simple thing. I got this because this drive came, actually I ordered this drive for this project because I have some use for it. Again, this doesn't really, I know it's toolless and everything, but it just, I don't know, we're going to have to see how that goes. So here, so this goes to there. Sits in there just fine. Push it together. Put the lid on. Not too much going on. And we can obviously get the other things out, because we're going to need these to hook them up to the computer. I'm not sure everyone wants to see that. Also, this has a, feels like a very thick plastic, probably anti-static. And I'm going to put these in later, because I'm going to make sure everything works first. In case you were wondering from watching the unboxing video, these go in later. I'm going to make sure everything works first before I start putting everything else where it goes. So other than that, thank you for watching the video. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Actually, before we go any further, what I did want to say was, if you do leave a comment with what time you are watching this video, and if it's AM or PM. If you're watching at 3 PM, 2 AM, leave a comment. I'd like to see what time people actually are watching the videos. Thank you.